So, hello everyone, this is Shubham Divakar over here, and I welcome you all to this series wherein we share the hackathon experience. And today I have with me my team, and we participated in SIS 2019 and we emerged as the winners. Alright, so moving ahead, the most important question that everyone asks is what motivated you all to participate. So, Abhishek, I would like to ask you what specifically motivation where did you get the motivation from?
Hi Shubham. Yes, I would like to say that our faculty member of mechanical engineering, Dr. Project Hussain Mishra, was the key motivation factor for us. He motivated us to take part in SIS 2020 as he believed that we had the capability to show our talent in the big platform.
Okay. So that was really nice, Abhishek. And as far as I remember, our seniors had won the previous year, and I mean, we
Yes.
also, yeah. So his sir told us that
Yes, he
you,
said
yeah,
that your
exactly.
singers had done and won the consolation prize, but I believe that you can do much more than that.
Okay.
So he motivated
Yeah,
us day and
and
night.
in fact, I would like to add over here that our college is a nodal center for SIH. So this is a very important factor which plays a very vital role because right from the first year we are on to this. All right. So moving ahead to the next most important one, which is team formation, and I would like to have Adarsh and Sony who would discuss upon how exactly is this team formation vital. So over to you, Adarsh.
Others from other team. Team formation is a very important aspect in every SIS because a team should consist of all the composite members because we don't always stick to a particular solution to a problem. We need also the hardware and software solution. So I, Abhishek and Asha were already in a team. We were thinking that yeah we should participate in SIS 2019. So we approached you, Shivam, as you remember that you are from
Exactly. Yes.
yeah. So we
Yeah.
always wanted a composite to deal with the hardware and software problem. So then we approached you and you finally you came to our team and then finally I think Sony would prefer to add here some points because he was keen interested in to take part in the uh, SIS formation.
Yeah. Sony, please go ahead.
Yeah, Shubham, because I was searching for the team and also I don't have any experience related to hackathon. So I went to you and others. Do you remember?
Yeah.
Yeah. We
Sony, it
remember.
was a
Yeah.
very great decision taking. Sony, as ma'am can also agree that Sony is the most dedicated person in the team and he was
Exactly.
interested to take part.
Exactly. All right. Yeah. So the key thing that we can take from here is that even if you are single, you cannot participate. So rather, you should look for a team, a very good team, from where you can take part in SIS. All right. So moving ahead, the most important aspect of a team is we should be having a very good mentor. And we were very honored to have Rosalina ma'am with us, who guided us throughout the journey. So ma'am, just a brief experience of you with the team. Could you please share something, ma'am?
Hello, sir. Hello to everyone. So here when come to the building of team, I found that all the six members they are very good and potential of each member is different from others. So a very good combination of all the members, and I think it's a very good decision that all the six came into as a team.
Exactly.
Thanks for
Yes,
giving
ma'am.
us.
Yeah. So this was a very vital, piece of information from our mentor. So now moving ahead to Asha, what would you like to say something on choosing the problem statement? Because it's again a very important task you have to take very seriously and do it very diligently. So Asha.
Yeah, Shiva, because selecting a problem is one of the crucial phase in this selection because once you select a problem, you have to work on it and you have to notice that each and every members can work on it. In our selection process, we consider two important factors. One is that we don't want to depend on the third parties like government and others, and the second thing we search for the sector, like on which sector we should search, like in our SIH, the problem statement we have given, that is on the agriculture because we
Exactly.
know
Yes.
that tech in the technology.
Mm-hmm.
So all in all, basic is that it's a important thing for every individual, those who are gonna take part in SIS, that you should pick up a problem statement that you can work with your team and also have a chance of winning it.
Exactly. So the most important thing is you should be very well acquainted with what the team is capable of, what problem don't, what technological domains you all are expert in, or which technological domains you're targeting, because not every domain will help you in winning, right? So you need to target those domains very carefully, right? So now moving ahead to the next most important thing, which is how you present the problem statement. Because see, you need to make sure your problem statement, whatever you have written, is very much and very clearly understood. So Bhatta, Abhishek and Deepika would like to add something on presenting the problem statement. So go ahead, Abhishek and Deepika.
Yes, Shubham. Presenting a problem statement should be noted in 3 points. First, it should be very short. It should not be long enough so that the
Yeah.
person who is judging your problem statement gets bored. And it should be precise and understandable. The person who is reading your presentation should not get bored. As you can see, there are point-wise things which you should mention. Every statement that you present to the government or to the party like SIH, you should specify it in point-wise manner so that they can understand it step by step. And how to present all those points in a graphical order, I would explain you better.
Yeah, Deepika.
Yes, Abhishek.
Yeah.
As you can see, yes, as you can see on the PPT, we use very decent diagrams and graphics which help us convey our idea to the judges more effectively. Pictorial representations of each part or each point make it even more easier for the viewers to understand. So this made the judges understand our point very correctly and get the idea that we are able to build the thing which we are actually trying to say. So this helped us a lot in getting our idea selected.
Okay, so that was really nice for you all to talk about all these part. Now, you presented the problem statement, you got selected. So now comes the most important part, because this is again a very crucial part, because this is the part where you get to know what exactly are the problems, what exactly is the problem statement, and then we come to that phase part. Okay, so that is the second phase we would be talking about. And for that, the most important aspect that first we would like to point out is how to gather the information and how to find a good approach. All right, so Adarsh, what would you like to tell something on this?
Yeah, Shubham, as you remember that after our communication was being selected, we just are not excited because it is a great achievement because in our problem statement almost more than 2 to 3 solutions were submitted.
Exactly,
We
yes.
are on the top.
We remember.
We just were excited to put our everything, our 100%, also put our 100% to reach to the better solution that we can do. So, after the problem section is selected, we have a particular domain now and we have a particular topic on which we have to work. Now, Shubham and Abhishek, as you will see that you both have great knowledge of machine learning. Vikas and
Yeah, they were very good in working on the UI, developing of the application and the web application part.
yeah.
Okay, okay.
So I thought that dividing the work within the team would be better and also seeing what a person is capable of something or the other. So we divided the work equally and we continuously put
Okay, others. Just I want to add something to it. Like, see, when you divided the work, when you point out like what work exactly is being done by someone, so there must, I mean, see, when you are doing a work, there is always a failure or a success, right? So how do you deal that? So Sony and you, why don't you discuss something on this and give us viewers something like to take from this?
Yeah, we deal with a lot of success and failures because since machine learning is a new topic and we also tested too many data models and everything. So, Sony, would you like to put on some points that what failures and success you faced during the journey?
Yeah, because we were new, or you can say to the learning phase of machine learning. We had no idea about the model on which we have to train the data set. Also, we
Okay.
faced a lot of difficulty in collecting the data set because the aerial images of the data set were not present over the internet. So we decided to manually create the data.
Okay, so that, yeah, so that was really nice for Adarsh and Sony to tell about the faults and the successes that you all get. So see, what I want to tell to all the viewers who are watching this is that you see, this part is a very vital part, because this is the only part where you get to learn. So until and unless you learn and know what's right and what's wrong, you cannot expect to go at the finals and directly put up everything, right? So you need to be well prepared beforehand, I mean, before the grand finale. So moving ahead to the next part, which is trying all possible ways to crack the problem statement, because this is again a very vital part and this comes to the entire team. Okay, so my question is, so Deepika, like, how did you all tried all possible ways to crack the problem statement, and how did you prepare a working model from this statement?
Yes, Shubham. Yeah, I can very well remember that we practiced a critical thinking approach where we self-assessed our solutions and found out the better one each time. It is very necessary in order to find out the flaws in our code ourselves so that the solution becomes perfect. When you present it to the judges and present it to your viewers, then you don't get to know the flaws at that time. So it is
Okay,
very
yeah.
necessary that you find out what all things you need to work on. Is that correct, Asha?
Yeah, it's definitely you have said right because I remember that our labeling work, I have made a silly mistake that is I put a space on the folders and wasted one day. But thanks to all my team at that time, that they don't put a blame on me, but rather they try to search a solution. And every day we thought of a new approach, while what we can do to get a better solution. So it's all and all is like have to work together to crack a solution with a team bonding.
Okay, okay, Asha, yeah, that is absolutely correct because team bonding has to be there. Until and unless there is team bonding, you won't be able to crack the problem statement. So, just I want you to add something on how the work was divided and how was the leader in this all process.
Well, first we have divided three teams. Like us, Shubham, you and Abhishek was working on the ML part, while Adarsh and Sony were working in the UI part. Whereas Deepika and me were working on the research and all thing and leveling out the this basically doing the database work or data set creation. So, all in all, everyone is involved in their work and everyone is putting their 100% effort by day and night by getting the time from their schedules and working on it.
Okay, so I would like to add something over here is that, and I am sure entire team, including our mentor, would agree this that we worked in day and night. We went to the classes. We did not skip any classes, and we worked after that also. So this was a very vital part because that is why. That entire team, I mean the strength comes into from. Now the next most important thing is how did you all put up the hard work? So Deepika, would you like to point something on this, like how was the team performing in that situation?
Yes, of course, Shubham. Hard work proves to be the key to success, and that happened in our case too. We were so dedicated in building the solution for this hackathon that we dedicated our day and night, all the hours that we could, but did not get our studies affected by it. Our studies were also going on, but whereas we learned a lot of things by putting in many extra hours. So we used to sit together, whether online or offline, and we used to discuss the solution for
Yeah,
the endless hours.
exactly.
But
I remember that we used to work late nights in the labs. I guess I remember that.
yes,
Yeah. So now, yeah, that was really nice. So now moving ahead to the just the journey which we all were waiting for the finals of the SS 2020 2019. So Bhatta, Abhishek, what are your views on this? Like the entire anxiety, curiosity, what was there inside you before the journey and how the journey began?
Yes, Shubham. First of all, that it was very exciting to know that we were selected for the Search 2020. We were the top 4 teams out of 50, and that motivated us to work even harder to at least crack that problem statement and win it. So it was a very, very experiencing journey. We started from our college after we were given the dates. And first thing, what we after getting reaching the campus, what we thought of doing was to explore the campus first, so that we can have some refreshment. Then after that, we had some like we got a basketball.
I exactly. I remember you and Sony and others. What you three were doing is you three were playing basketball, searching for a. The first thing that we all did is we searched for a place to relax ourselves because we were very curious and nervous at that time, right?
Yes. And the team also needed some relaxation before
Exactly,
the big thing starts.
exactly. So others, what are your views on this?
Yeah, also I would like to add one point to and Abhishek. Yeah, we also used to play PUBG at night to refresh our mind because under day of work, we always need a refreshment. So we never skip the PUBG game so that he can get the judgment at the right time.
Exactly.
That was
Yeah,
done with
yeah.
work. It was done with work because all work and don't play makes Jack a dull boy.
Okay. Yeah. So that is absolutely the correct proverb to put in at this very point. So now, yes, I guess the journey began. We were at the finals. We were at there early in the morning. Everything started at 8 a.m. in the morning. Now the most important aspect is we were told about the several stages of the evaluation phases. So why not have the team leader tell about the exact phases, and then we would be moving to someone else who would be telling about the all stages. So Adarsh, what about the stages?
Yeah, I would like to tell all the listeners that every SIH consists of at least 3 to 4 phases, where we were evaluated in the 3 phases, particularly, in which the first 2 phases are clearly the mentoring round, where they do not disqualify us, they only put and says that what the correct path we are following on, what is wrong in this, how we can correct it, or what the approach they want, what the solution they want. And the last is the presentation round, which is very important and very crucial round, which I will tell you after the delivery of the first and second phase by Asha. So now I would like Sony to tell what were
Yeah, exactly, Sony. I would like you to point out about the phase one delivery, like what happened after the stage one evaluation.
Yeah, Shubham. In the phase one, company wanted to see how we understood the problem and how we were dealing with it. They wanted to see what were our approaches to the problem, and what problem we are facing.
Okay, okay. So that is very nice thing to say, because see, the thing is you are not knocked out of this round even if you fail to come up with something, right? So the thing to get from here is that these are mentoring rounds and not judging rounds, right? Yes, judging is always going there at the back, but these are more of a round from where you can get a lot of inputs and take those inputs and then shape up and come up with a solution, and that is what exactly we did. Now moving ahead to the second delivery, Asha, would you like to tell something on that?
Yeah, on the second phase, we basically provided 4 images by the company, and by that we have to make a data set of it and find the solution. They want a solution that they have provided the 4 images to us, and we will identify the disease on them. So first we are like bit of nervous that using 4 images, how we'll gonna make a data set. Then we have thought of doing augmentations, which is part of ML. So
Exactly. Yeah, yeah.
despite that thing, we have overcome the second phase evaluation. But I would like to add something on this, that during the second phase and the third phase, during that duration, we have many co-curricular activities, because as we already said that we need time to for break. So these
Exactly.
are like
Yes. Yes.
games, dance, and other activities to for
I remember that we participated in a quiz type of a stuff wherein two of us won some prizes over there, and I remember we had a dance competition also over there. So yeah, that was really nice, because we are already very exhausted at the after 12 in the midnight. So there has to be some co-curricular activities, and this is what generally happens in SIH Grand Finale. You will always be having some co-curricular activities which you should take part in and enjoy, because you do not want to miss these stuff, right? So now moving ahead to the third phase, which is the most important phase. Adarsh, what would you like to tell on this?
as you mentioned, the third phase is the most serious and the most important phase, where the situation is of the do or die. So the presentation and delivery at that moment is very important, and it should be to the point. As you remember, Shubham, we only took the 3 laptops there. The one laptop consists of the ML with one phone that can give the UI part, and one laptop consists of the website, and the third laptop was pointing to the specific points that what solution they want, and we were delivering the solution in such a way that every we have solution to the every point that they demanded. So it was a very important crucial role, and Rosilla ma'am also helped us a lot to be calm in that situation. It's a very crucial role at that place.
Okay, so now see, everything is over. You did everything your best, and now you wait for the results. And so we were very much curious and anxious, as you all can see. Sony is enjoying, and so we are at the end of the third delivery. So we enjoyed, and then we were declared the winners after that. So once the results are being declared, you win, you are being awarded. What do you do after that? You enjoy this stuff, and we had a very unique chance of exploring the city of Udaipur. But before that, I would like to have others tell about his experience as a team leader, and then we would like to have ma'am share her experience with the team. So first, others, go ahead and share your experience as a team leader.
First of all, it was a great working with you all guys and ma'am because each of our member is a great in his own field. And team management is a great task where we all put our 100% effort. Adding to this, working with the team, working in the first and doing the official work is another hand is a great task for me. So you know sure that we work that day and night and also do the official work. It is a tedious task.
Exactly, exactly. So I remember you doing the lot of paperwork for us. I mean, getting all this stuff ready because that is the task of a team leader, right?
Yeah, and third thing, like I would like to mention that there is also some heated moments in that team. Keeping the peace in that team is the most important.
Exactly, exactly.
We are focused toward a common goal. That's all.
Okay, so that was really nice for you to share the experience as a team leader. And now I would like to have ma'am and share her experience with our team.
So really team, I was so proud of them. They have won the competition. And here I want to add something like while we started the journey from them, I was seeing them and telling them you are all weak at the time and you are not doing anything, right? Then they are usually told us, they told me that no man will be working at night, so let's play. I think I thought that I should allow them to do that because they are kids, right? Then I just, but the thing is that they are all dedicated members. They work so hard, and as a team, they are very good. And well, while they are choosing the problem statement, I have not imposed anything to choose the problem or do anything. I just kept them independent so that they can work. So and they can explore everything whatever they want, right? But the thing what I do is that I was just looking for them and what is the input and what is the output to come. I was just looking for the output whether they're delivering it or not. So that's my goal.
Okay. Yeah. So that was, yeah. So that was really nice of you to say such kind words. But we ourselves, the team members, know that we all enjoyed very much in this journey, and that you never imposed any decisions, and that you were very lenient on all of us. And yeah, you were not strict to add to all of this. So now everything is done. We won the hackathon, and now we will have Deepika sharing the post-winning experience. So Deepika, moving on to you, and I will have a video to play. So Deepika, on to you.
Yes, Shubham. I can clearly remember, as you all know, that hard work always pays off, and now our hard work had already paid off. So now it was time for celebration and giving ourselves a treat. Our mentor Rosalina ma'am also joined us, which made it even more exciting. As you can see in the pictures, we were very excited, and basically the environment that the place Udaipur had, it made us forget all the struggles of the journey of the tensions that we had during the competition. It made us forget everything and enjoy ourselves and get ourselves ready and enthusiastic for the next challenge. So this was a very important part of our journey and very memorable too.
So now we are having our motivator with us, who motivated us for the entire hackathon journey, and who transformed us from zeros to heroes, and from zeros to the winners actually. So over to you, sir, and kindly motivate the audience.
Yeah, thank you, Shivam. Yeah, really, it's a pleasure environment for me and me too because I'm sitting with my near and dear students who have saw my proof them that they are good enough and they not any statement. In reality, they have proved themselves. Okay. Hi, friends. This is Dr. D.K. Misra. Currently, I'm working at the GIT University as a professor in computer science department. But I want to, as Shivam Divakar sir mentioned that I'm the motivator for them. Yeah.
Yes,
I
sir.
don't know whether I'm deserving this statement or not, but let me try to fulfill the explanation that whether I'm the real motivator or not. But one thing I would like to mention over here that every no room was not used in night.
Yes, sir.
Room was not used night, so you don't think that you don't have the capability and you can't prove yourself in night. Or suppose if you try on today and if you fail means na, don't stop here. Continue, because struggle ends with success. If you continue the same struggle, same skill, one moment will come that you will come up with a success.
Sir, kindly share your golden rule, sir. Golden rule for hackathons and all, sir.
Okay. Actually, it's not my golden rule when I told it is a golden rule, but there is no derivation from golden rule, guys. Shubham Divakar and Abhishek, Asa, they mentioned the golden rule. Not like that. That is why on every time I am suggesting them to just kindly come with a out of the box thinking, because you should not think that differently, uniquely, and if you copy the style of others,
Yes,
आप
sir.
एक चीज बताएंगे आप खुद को फाइंड आउट नहीं कर पाओगे. So every time you have to think in differently, every time you have to think in uniquely, so that one moment will come that you will be identified uniquely. एंड सेकंड थिंग, मैं जो अभिषेक भट्टाचार्य एंड शुभम जी बोल रहे हैं उनको हिसाब से बोलूँगा, चाहे कोई भी इवेंट क्या होगा नहीं है और नहीं सोचोगे दिस इवेंट इवेंट कैबिनेट टाइप इवेंट मैंने स्मॉल इवेंट है, दिस इवेंट इवेंट बिग इवेंट, स्टार्ट विद स्मॉल बट विजन आपका हाई रहना चाहिए. इनिशियली स्टार्ट विद स्मॉल स्मॉल लेके लेकर ये करके आप एक मोमेंट में पहुँचोगे जहाँ पर आपको पता चलेगा कि ये बिग. लेकिन जब तक बिग थिंग क्रैक नहीं करता है, आप अपना मतलब जो स्पिरिट है, जो मैंने एक चैलेंजिंग स्पिरिट है, उसको कंटिन्यू कीजिए. एंड सेकंड थिंग, हर चीज़ चाहे वो कोडिंग कॉम्पिटिशन हो पार्टिसिपेट करो, चाहे वो डिबेट कॉम्पिटिशन हो पार्टिसिपेट करो, बिकॉज आज की डेट में कोई भी मास्टर ऑफ जो बोलते जैकल ऑफ नॉन मास्टर ऑफ नॉन.
Yes, sir.
जैकल ऑफ मास्टर ऑफ नॉन.
Yes, sir.
आज के लिए आप बोलोगे नहीं मैं यही पार्टिकुलर शब्द पे मैं मास्टरी वर्क करूँगा, तो आज के डेट में आपका कहीं पर एक पोजिशन नहीं मिलेगा, क्योंकि मार्केट ज़्यादा डायनामिक पर्सनैलिटी चाहता है हु कैन वर्क इन मल्टी सेक्टर्स. जिसको कि मान लीजिए स्पोर्ट्स में भी लिया जाएगा तो ही कैन वर्क.
Yes, sir.
अगर मान कोडिंग में लिया जाएगा तो ही कैन टोटल वो प्रॉपर नहीं बन सकता, लेकिन एटलीस्ट हैंडल कर सकते हैं.
Yes, sir.
फिर आज उस तरह का पर्सनैलिटी ढूंढता है जो पर्सनैलिटी की एनी सिचुएशन होने से वो हैंडल कर पाएगा. वो बोलेगा नहीं सर मेरे से कोडिंग कर सकता हूँ, लेकिन ना मैं अपना कोडिंग को प्रेजेंट नहीं कर सकता हूँ. जैसे कि मेरा एक एक्सपीरियंस हुआ था इनका बैच में. यहाँ इनका बैच में मैं हर वक्त बोलता था कि इस तरह का टीम ढूंढो कि 6 का 6 कोडर नाम मेरे चाहिए नहीं. आपका टीम में 6 मेंबर में से एक 1 or 2 मे बी साउंडिंग कोडिंग, 1 or 2 मे बी साउंडिंग एप्लीकेशन डिजाइनिंग, एंड 1 or 2 मे बी one may be the presentation style and another one may be the जुगाड़ style. Why I am calling the जुगाड़ style? because उसको मालूम होना चाहिए कि वो कैसे उनका टिकट कैसे बनेगा, इन लोगों को कैसे वहीं पर जाके खाना मिलेगा. क्योंकि हर कोई अगर बोलेगा कि मेरे कोडिंग करना तो उनका खाने के लिए भी कोई पूछेगा नहीं.
Yes, sir.
ये बुक कोई भी केयर नहीं करेगा, क्योंकि एट द एंड हम लोग खाना भी खाना है.
Yes, sir.
काम करती है. तो मैं उनको हर वक्त बोल रहा था कि तुम लोग टीम इसको बोलो कि आप सब कोडिंग में माहिर होना चाहिए, नहीं चाहिए आपको
Composite team, sir. Composite team बोलना चाह रहे हैं आप, sir.
कंप्यूटर होना चाहिए.
Yes,
वो
sir.
बोल रहा था म्यूजिकलिटी ये लोग ग्रुप किए थे. इनफैक्ट मैं बोलना चाहूँगा जो हुई साउंडिंग कोडिंग एंड हुई साउंडिंग मैंने दुर्गा द हुई साउंडिंग मैंने प्रेजेंटेशन, वो लोग अच्छा बैलेंस करके ट्रैक किए थे.
Yes, sir.
एंड और या प्लीज और चीज़ बोल रहे थे आप.
यस सर. सर मेरे ऑडियंस को सर एक चीज़ मतलब मोस्ट ऑफ द टाइम क्या होता है ना कि सर दे प्रिपेयर वेरी वेल, दे वर्क वेरी हार्ड, बट एट द एंड समटाइम्स फॉर सम रीजंस दे फेल फॉर. So means how would you like to motivate that? How to come up and learn again in that same competition and come out with confidence?
या यहाँ पर एक बात बोलूँगा, आज के डेट में आपको हार्ड वर्क नहीं चाहिए, स्मार्ट वर्क चाहिए.
Yes, sir.
आप आज की डेट में आपको बोलोगे कि मैं ये दिन नहीं रात में पूरा काम करके इसको निपटा दूंगा, आप हार्ड वर्क हो जाएगा. वन मोमेंट विल बिकम यू विल डिप्रेस. तो जब फेल हो जाएगा तो डिप्रेशन में आ जाओगे. आपको स्मार्ट वर्कर बनना है, मेरा बात स्मार्ट कोडर बनना है. एंड सेकंड थिंग, जैसे अभिषेक जी बोले कि एक बार आप फेल हो गए, मान लीजिए शुभम दिवाकर बैच 2018 में वो लोग क्रैक नहीं कर पाए थे.
Yes, sir.
मैं उसी मोमेंट में अगर उनको साथ कंटिन्यूसली एज ए मेंटर मेरा भी काम था कि एज ए मोटिवेटर मेरा भी काम था कि उनके साथ में कंटिन्यूसली फॉलो कर रहा था, सुबह नहीं शाम नहीं, कहाँ पर मिले से एवरी टाइम। क्योंकि आप लोग जितना मिलोगे, आपको देखिए, मैं मान लीजिए आपका कुछ प्रॉब्लम है, आपका मेंटर या आपका काम होना चाहिए कि आप उनके साथ फॉलो करोगे कंटिन्यूसली, सो दैट क्या है ना, आपका आधा प्रॉब्लम सोल्यूशन हो जाएगा। जैसे कि
That means a mentor has to play a role also, sir. Mentor should
Very vital role.
मेंटर का रोल उसी टाइम में बहुत क्रूशियल लगता है कि मेंटर अगर भी सोचे कि ये टीम से कुछ बनेगा नहीं, कुछ अगर मेंटर उस टीम को डिसअपॉइंट कर लिया, ऑलरेडी वो टीम को डिसअपॉइंट स्टेट में है, तो फिर से डिसअपॉइंट कर लेना, तो टीम पूरा 0 से 0 के नीचे ही चले जाएंगे।
Yes, sir.
तो आपको स्कोप नहीं मिलेगा। लेकिन टीम के ऊपर कभी भी भरोसा नहीं मत छोड़ो, एंड टीम मेट्स के ऊपर
Yes, sir.
टीम में मैच आपका 5 उंगली बराबर नहीं है। आपकी देखिए कि आप बहुत स्ट्रांगली काम कर रहे हो, दूसरे वाला थोड़ा सा हल्काबाजी कर रहा है, काम नहीं कर रहा है, वैसे भी सिचुएशन आ सकता है। लेकिन ना आपको उसी टाइम पे यू आर गोइंग टू बी द टीम मैनेजर, टीम लीडर। आप अपने जो नेक्स्ट करियर में आपको टीम लीडर बनना है, टीम लीडर बनना है तो आपका जो टीम साइज में जो मेंबर रहेंगे उनको कैसे अंडरस्टैंडिंग करोगे, कैसे मैनेजमेंट करोगे, यहाँ से ही आपको पता चल जाएगा। इसलिए आपका टीम जो चूज करे, अगर टीम में से अगर कोई मेंबर अप डाउन भी स्टेज में आ रहा है, उसको मत इग्नोर करो, उसको मत मतलब डीमोटिवेट करो, अगर उसको मोटिवेट करो कि क्या आपका ये वाला स्टाइल ना अच्छा लग रहा है, उसको इस तरह से एनकरेज करो कि ही और सी विल कम विद ए न्यू आइडिया, ही और सी विल कम विद ए न्यू सॉल्यूशंस। जो कि मेरा एक में खुद हुआ था। या प्लीज
Sir, as we know that you are our motivator, who motivate us to participate in the SIS. Sir, as a girl, I will say that government has also ruled that in SIS a girl should be in your team. Sir, I have my own opinion regarding the girls issue. Like girls thought that we are not good at coding, we can't compete with boys. So, sir, can you motivate a girls gang or girls that they can do other things?
perhaps ma'am you are having a wrong assumption that girls are not the best coders.
Yes, sir.
Recently I organized
Sir,
ma'am,
this is not my
no,
opinion.
ma'am. On behalf of you, I'm just talking to my audience. My audience, some girls are there, then it's a small request to you all that you don't think in that way. Because very recently I have organized on national level online coding competitions. Around 3,856 coders were participated, and finally only 3 students were selected, and out of 3, 2 were girls. And that competition was totally coordinated by Accurate only. So what I mean to say that don't think that you don't have that ability. आपके पास मोटिवेट नहीं है, आपके पास इंटरेस्ट नहीं है, तो जुनून लाइए। और इधर आपके पास अगर जुनून आ गया ना कि मैं कर पाऊंगा, तो कोई पीछे नहीं रख सकता यार, चाहे वो आपका फैकल्टी या चाहे आपका मोटिवेट आपको लगता है कि मेरे को पीछे
Yes,
लेकर
sir.
जा रहा है, वो तो कभी नहीं लेके देंगे। क्योंकि एक बात होता है कि आप एक जगह पे प्रूव नहीं कर सकते कि आप क्या हो, लेकिन आपका प्रूव होने के लिए बहुत सारे प्लेटफॉर्म हैं।
Yes, sir.
एंड हैकर का जो कॉन्सेप्ट है वो ये, एंड बहुत सारे आज के डेट में बहुत सारे कोडर कॉन्सेप्ट है। जो हैकर का मोटो ये कि हैकर का जो या चाहे आपका बहुत सारे जो कोडिंग प्लेटफॉर्म्स है, जैसे हमारे शुभम सर एक आप लोग के लिए कोडिंग प्लेटफॉर्म भी बना रहे हैं फॉर ओनली फॉर यू पीपल्स। आई होप मैंने यू विल विजिट इन वेबसाइट, एंड आई होप यू विल गेट मोस्ट ऑफ द बेनिफिट ओवर फ्रॉम इट।
Yes, sir.
बट द थिंग आई वांट टू से दैट आपके पास एक इंटरेस्ट होना चाहिए। जैसे एक पिक्चर तो मेरे याद है, जो कि मैं अपने स्टूडेंट को भी शेयर किया था कई बार। मैं भी वही बात बोलता हूँ कि सरकार राज में जो मूवी था, अभिषेक बच्चन वाला जो मूवी था, उनके कहने लगा पिक्चर शुरू होने से पहले देखा था कि पावर दिया जाता नहीं, पावर लिया जाता। वाई आई एम सेइंग दिस लाइन ओवर हियर, द रीजन इज आज के लिए कोई भी चाहेगा नहीं कि आप आगे जाके अच्छा करो, हर कोई चाहेगा कि आप पीछे रहोगे तो दूसरा वाला आगे जाएगा। इसलिए नो वन विल बी रेडी टू एनकरेज यू, rather you have to encourage yourself and you have to appreciate yourself that yeah, I'm doing good.
Yes, sir.
Don't think that someone will come to you and someone will appreciate you. Rather you have to appreciate yourself. Yeah, Jojo, you have done great job, and tomorrow also you will do yourself the best of the best. आपको प्रूव करना है, आपको ना कोई आके आपको मोटिवेट करेगा कि आप ये डांस अच्छा कर सकते हो, जाइए स्टेज पे डांस कीजिए या कॉपी में मोटिवेट कीजिए। आपको इच्छा आ रहा है, आपको इंटरेस्ट आ रहा है, जाइए अरे ज़्यादा से ज़्यादा क्या होगा, लोग आपको ऑफेंस करेंगे ना। आज का ऑफेंस वो आज वो लोग आपको ऑफेंस करेंगे या कमेंट करेंगे या फीडबैक देंगे ना, नेगेटिव फीडबैक देंगे, वो आपके लिए बदला नहीं, क्योंकि वो उनका नेगेटिव फीडबैक को आपको पॉजिटिव में कन्वर्ट करना है। उनका वो जो ऑफेंस को उनको प्रेज में कन्वर्ट करना है। सो एवरीथिंग डिपेंड्स अपॉन यू ओनली टू prove yourself. So if you are going to be criticized by others, never to harass, rather it's a welcoming platform for you to be criticized. Okay, thank you.
Yeah.
Yeah, please.
Yeah, so with this, I will say to all of you that just a vital piece of information to all ones who are preparing for SIH. See, the most important thing is you need to have a composite team, you need to have a good mentor. See, that is not a very important part, but the mentor has to be as much lenient as Hussaina ma'am is. The next most important thing is you should be very well acquainted with all the technological domains, because therein you apply and the application part is there, right? These are the three vital suggestions from my side, and as you all have viewed this, it was a really nice experience to talk with the entire team members and have a reunion back with all of you. So is everyone in the video or not? Anyway, so thank you all for watching, and we'll come back with another winning experience of Singapore India Hackathon, and till then stay tuned to this. Thank you everyone.